This little dial is to adjust the damper. So basically, counterclockwise for soft and clockwise for hard. Since these are for the rear, I want the rear to be hard. I'm just going to turn it fully to hard. On these with the rear, it's hard to get to the damper adjustment once they're in the car. So adjust them the way you want before you put them in.
In the ATL, that's my homeboy. Watch your back if you're gonna walk alone, boy. Cause everybody in the homeboys trying to get rich. You could get hit even if you know 'em, boy. We the kings of the South. Pies in the oven.
Very high quality coilover from MCA. MCA Blues. Pivot ball on the top. Camber adjustment. Damper adjustment. Keen to put them in. And in this box we have our special MCA C-spanners with 1/2-inch drive adapters to help when tightening up our collars. And then here we have both of our front coilovers, and just looking at them, the differences in the bottom, we'll have to compare them to the current ones, the stock ones, to know which side is which, because they haven't written on the box.